Formatting a USB drive using your Android phone is quick and simple. You don't always need a computer to manage USB storage. Many Android devices support USB drives through OTG adapters. First, gather your Android phone and a USB flash drive. You will also need a USB OTG adapter. Connect the USB drive to your phone using the adapter. Once connected, your phone should detect the USB storage. You may see a notification that USB storage is connected. Tap the notification to open storage settings. You can also open the settings app manually. Go to the storage section in your phone settings. Here you will see internal storage and external storage. Select the USB storage device. The system will display details about the USB drive. Look for the menu icon in the top corner. Tap the menu to see more options. Choose the format option from the menu. Your phone will show a warning message. This warning explains that all data will be erased. Make sure there are no important files on the USB drive. If you are ready, tap the Format button. The formatting process will now begin. You will see a progress indicator on the screen. Wait while the phone completes the formatting process. This usually takes only a few seconds. Once finished, your phone will confirm the format is complete. Now the USB drive is ready to use. You can open your File Manager app. Locate the USB storage folder. The drive should appear empty after formatting. You can now copy files to the USB drive. When finished, safely remove the USB drive. Go back to Storage Settings. Select the option to eject the USB device. Now unplug the USB drive from your phone. And that's how you format a USB drive using an Android phone without a PC.